Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we have an impulse toward the upside, finishing our wave A or wave 1. In both case scenario, you would like to see an ABC correction, finishing a wave B or a wave 2 perfectly. And then in both case scenario as well, you want to look for higher prices impulsively to finish an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In Solana, we were currently in a wave F5 and we probably might still or might have finished. We're gonna see, of course, estimate the scenarios here that it might be, of course, unfolding for the next price action. So as you can see, this wave 5, in case we have bottomed for an A, a B, and a C here. The only case scenario that I can finish a wave 5 is an expanding diagonal as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Because your wave 4 here, of course, might have, of course, touch your wave 1. Of course, because we are looking here at triple 1-2s, so your main 1-2 is here, then you got 1-2, 1-2, 3, and then 4. This wave 4 has reached or invalidates this impulse toward the upside and did not continue as 4-5. Meaning invalidation, and we have to count this, of course, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Expanding a diagonal towards the upside, probably finishing a Solana wave 5 and finishing the bull run probably for Solana. After this, we are looking at a double 1-2s here probably, and finishing, of course, a wave A probably or wave 1. So we're gonna see, but very clear that we have a wave 1, a B, and a C probably here, or WXY, WX and a Y. Finishing your wave Y in a triangle and then moving toward the downside for another 1, 2 here, ABC for wave 2, very obviously. And then, of course, we got a wave 3 towards the downside, wave 4, and a 5, looking for a wave 5 right now, unfolding, of course, after 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So targets for Solana here are, of course, to be watched. Let's see some targets for this impulse toward the downside after this bottom here as a W, X, and a Y. So you have start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially finished here. So this is your 1, 2 here. Here we go. Okay, yeah, wave 3 already touched as expected. Here we go, we got the 1.618, and now we got a retracement without interfering with the zone 1 yet. So this is your invalidation point here, invalidation of a bearish, okay? And this price action is exactly at $220 or $221. You're gonna see, of course, invalidation in case we move for higher here. Therefore, we don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 anymore. However, right now we are looking for an impulse. So in case we are in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Actually, this should be here, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. And I'm gonna give it a little bit bigger here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You're looking for a wave 4 here and a 5. So your wave 4 and a 5 has to be, of course, finished as a wave 4, because as you can see, your wave 2 here is longer in time. Your wave 4 as alternation can be, of course, faster a little bit, right? But it should be a little bit, more, same time a little bit. So basically, it can still be in a zigzag, but in this case scenario, don't forget that it can be invalidated. So this scenario can be possible unless, of course, your wave 4 is already finished and we're looking to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possibly finished because we are looking at an impulse here, and this might be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So possibly higher possibility that it has finished, and you're looking for a wave 5 towards the downside, of course, to finish also this impulse 4 and a 5. Here we go. Now, of course, step by step, your target for a wave 5, let's see if we take, of course, this wave 5, your wave 3 here, and wave 5 over 1, you would like, it can be, of course, it can be the most common target 1-to-1 fib level, which is 143. But first, let's touch the 0.618 because we have double 1-2 here. So very probable that we're gonna reach this one first, yeah, as a wave 5 here. And then, of course, continuation for higher, and then moving less, of course, for a wave 5. So these are our targets. This is our blue zone here, where we are looking for a target for the next price action for Solana. Now, if we move towards the upside and we see invalidation here, okay, if we see invalidation for higher prices, it could be, of course, something else is unfolding. We might be, of course, in continuation of this contracting diagonal. If you remember, we have this scenario where we have a contracting diagonal toward the upside. Meaning, this, I'm gonna call it for our chart alternative. In this case scenario, we are looking at this, okay, before we got also the same price action here, and as you can see, it is working perfectly. However, yeah, we're looking at this contracting diagonal probably as A, B, and a C probably, yeah, toward the upside. So what you would like to see right now, of course, a continuation for higher as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here to finish a wave 5 in case you are still bullish. Yeah, so this scenario is still, of course, still available, especially if we get invalidation of bearish scenario. Yeah, once you get invalidation of bearish scenario, I would say, yeah, be careful. We might be, of course, for one more wave towards the upside. Very, very possible. Otherwise, continuation, of course, for lower prices. Yeah, so these are the insights for Solana. Let's watch and see. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.